Use the correct caulk for both tile and tub to ensure a lasting, watertight seal. When choosing a caulk for tile and tub joints, pick a kitchen and bath silicone that is specifically rated for both glassy tiles and smooth tub surfaces, because these formulations include mildew inhibitors and flexible polymers that bond to non-porous substrates. Prepare the joint by removing old caulk, cleaning with a household cleaner, and then wiping with rubbing alcohol to remove soaps and oils so the new material adheres properly. Cut the nozzle at a 30-degree angle and apply steady pressure to the cartridge so the bead is uniform and slightly concave. Too much caulk creates lumps and too little leaves gaps. Tool the joint with a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool within 5 minutes of application to compress the bead and force contact with both edges, which improves adhesion and reduces trapped air. Allow full cure time listed on the product label, usually at least 24 hours for household silicone, before exposing the joint to water, and avoid using paintable or acrylic caulks in wet areas because they can fail when continuously exposed to water. Store unopened cartridges in a cool, dry place and rotate stock by using the oldest material first so you do not end up with expired caulk that will not cure properly. Common mistakes include using a generic acrylic caulk meant for trim instead of a silicone kitchen and bath product, which can soften and separate when exposed to water. The fix is to remove the failed material and re-caulk with the proper silicone. Another frequent problem is poor surface preparation where soap residue or mold prevents bonding. Fix that by thoroughly cleaning and, if necessary, using a mold remover and then wiping with alcohol before caulking. People also often undercut the bead by applying too little product or not tooling it, producing gaps that let water in. The remedy is to apply a continuous bead size to the joint and tool it smooth immediately so the silicone contacts both surfaces fully. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to bathroom sealing and materials, and we show ways contractors can advertise and find work through our listings. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, product experiences, and troubleshooting advice about material compatibility and installation techniques.